This method produces an innovative, adaptable fiber optical sensing platform. Development of the platform was originally driven by the design to create an underwater thermometer for turbulence characterization of ocean waters.
Advantages of this platform include high sensitivity, faster response, and small size, along with the excellent manufacturability due to the use of the well-established MEMS fabrication techniques.
It can be used for many temperature-related measurements, such as temperature measurements for turbulence characterization, liquid and gas flow measurements, and radiation from high-temperature plasma in thermal fusion.
Fabricate the sensor on a bench with a spectrometer. The first step is to fabricate silicon pillars on a silicon wafer. This wafer has standalone pillars ready for use in sensors. An overview of the pillars is in this schematic. They are patterned from a 200 micrometer thick, double-side polished silicon wafer using standard microelectromechanical system fabrication methods. Photoresist is on the tops of each pillar in the substrate. Prepare the lead-in fiber by stripping off the plastic coating of the optical fiber. Use a lens tissue dipped in alcohol to clean the stripped section. Take the cleaned fiber to an optical fiber cleaver to cleave it. Next, acquire UV curable glue and a glass slide. Put a little drop of the UV curable glue on the glass slide. Then manually swing or spin coat the slide to distribute the glue. The glue will be in a thin layer on the surface.